Since the Husqvarna Viking Onyx 25 sewing machine takes all of the Husqvarna Viking presser feet, I will be showing you how easy it is to change presser feet on this machine. But I also invite you to check out our Stitching Cosmos online course. So the quilt behind the sewing machine right now is designed to help you learn everything about your machine for decorative stitches, learning about different accessory feet, and every block is a different technique. So we teach over 25 different techniques. We feature 18 different presser feet. Not that you need all the presser feet, but a lot of times you just don't know they exist and how they work. So in that course, we do have free videos that you can watch for free. We'll put links below in the description so you can see what that course is all about. Now I'm going to show you how these feet go on and off this machine so fast. When you're done sewing, lift up the presser foot in the back, use the side cutter to cut the threads. Then, as you take a look at your presser foot, you can kind of see that there's a white mouth on the base of this white ankle. What you want to do is make sure you pull the foot straight towards you. So as you slide it towards you, it comes right off. There's a little bar on every foot that allows you to kind of come up to the foot and then push it straight back. The only thing you want to be aware of and not do is push down on this foot while you're trying to take it off. Because as that little kind of lower lip gets pushed down, eventually, well, it can break. So obviously it's meant to just go in and out, but any extra pressure, forced pressure, is going to require you to probably just get a fresh ankle, which your Husqvarna Viking store will have for you. But just get in the habit of straight out and straight in, and those snap-on feet are so easy just to exchange. Viking has an online book of all the accessory feet, and I will put a link below so you can look at that digital option. And then there is actually a foot book of how to use all the feet that we do host on our website. It is the digital version of the foot book, and again, links are going to be down below that you can download and keep for yourself. There's also a few free pages in that foot book that allow you to check off which ones you buy. So as you maybe look through it, you can go, ooh, I want that one and I want that one. And then you can highlight the ones you own and then like circle the ones you haven't bought yet. But just know that the majority of the feet that go on and off in this manner are all available for this machine and for you to use. So I hope to see you in one of the Stitching Cosmos classes soon. Check out all the free videos that has. It is a wealth of information. That course takes you beyond the manual and really gets you into all the extra things that you can do with this beautiful Onyx 25 Husqvarna Viking sewing machine.